Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I keep my air cool and clean in my shop. I've just got a filter for a furnace on a box fan, a stock rad for a Mazda Miata. This is just my power source. That's just nice because it makes it portable. A bucket of cold water. The water bottle had a little bit of ice in it, and some means of a pump. Please keep in mind I just put that bottle of water in there. Yes, I am aware it's leaking. It's due to the fact that it does not have a drain plug. I've definitely got to build some ducting or something for it, because I can feel right in front of the rad. There's definitely air pressure, but it's not like it is with the fan. As you can see, the filter is very dirty, especially from sanding this thing, getting it prepped for paint. It was very helpful to keep the dust down in here. For those of you wondering, yes, I do power this with solar, which kind of makes the AC solar powered, which is cool. I also use it to power the lights in here a lot of the time. It just runs off this little solar panel here. There's the mini bike in case anyone's looking for an update. I have not been riding it very much lately.